In this video, I will be showing you how to make a Canva website perfect every time. Let's get started. I'll start on the Canva homepage and navigate to the Templates section, specifically clicking on the website category to see the various layouts available. There are many professional designs to choose from, but I'm looking for something elegant for a vow renewal. I'll scroll through the options until I find the perfect match. Preview the different pages to make sure it fits my needs, and then click to customize the template. Now that I'm in the editor, I'll start by personalizing the cover page. I'll select the main heading and swap the font for one that feels a bit more classic. Next, I'll click into the name field and type in Stacy and Jeremiah. To make the names stand out, I'll change the font to a beautiful script and adjust the line spacing and size until it's perfectly centered. I also need to update the event date, so I'll change that to August 27th, 2026, and select a clean, modern font to provide a nice contrast to the script above. To customize the monogram on the left, I'll delete the existing letters and head over to the Elements tab. I'll search for a SJ monogram and scroll through the graphics until I find one that matches our aesthetic. Once I've placed and resized it, I'll search for line flowers to add some delicate detail. I'll pick a minimalist floral graphic, flip it horizontally, and change the color to a soft cream. I'll continue adding these floral touches across the page, rotating and resizing them to frame the text. For the quote at the bottom, I'll experiment with a few different fonts before settling on a clean serif style, and I'll change the word love to all caps for a bit of extra emphasis. Next, I'll scroll down to the About the Ceremony and Program of Events pages to ensure the design is consistent. I'll update the headings on these pages using the same script font from the cover. I'll also go through and update all the date placeholders to August 27th to make sure the information is accurate throughout the site. To finish things off, I'll add a few more line flowers around the photo frames and the program list, adjusting the layers so they sit elegantly behind the text and images. I'll take one last look through the pages to check the spacing and alignment. And that is how you create a beautiful, customized website in Canva that is ready to share with your guests.